Okay, while the crew's at lunch, I want to do something a little bit different. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hit a home run. Now, step one, you got to call your shot center field. Step two, crank it.
It's headed back, and it goes out of the park. Ooh, right into the new siding. Someone's gonna be upset about that.
Oh, no. Okay, so somehow you managed to ding a ball right into a perfectly good piece of siding, and now you've got to fix it before the producers get back from lunch. Let's undo it. Oh, no.
How to undo with Mike Montgomery. That's me.
If your siding just has a small hole or crack in it, you can fix this with filler and paint right over it. For this fix, you'll need a few basic tools and supplies: a high-grit sanding sponge, shop rags, exterior rated filler, and a putty knife, along with safety glasses and a dust mask. First, use a sanding sponge to clean up any rough edges around the hole. Now, take your putty knife and apply filler to the hole.
Oh, wow! What a great catch! We've got to take another look at that. Mike loaded that filler on there pretty thick, and you can start to see it fall right about here. But he was clearly one step ahead, and he managed to catch the excess. As it bounced off the wall, no less. Just incredible focus and determination, and quite frankly, skill.
Just load it up, smooth it out, making sure to feather out your edges. Then let it dry. Then after it dries, sand it smooth. Then take a damp rag and clean the area to prep for paint. Home run! Hey buddy, come on! You call that a fix? What about the piece above it? It's got a huge crack in it. Fix that! If the damage is worse than a small hole, you'll need to replace a small section of siding. To undo this, we'll use a siding removal tool, a new piece of siding, a power drill, and screws. First, I'll pry up the piece of siding above our damaged piece with this special tool. Then, we'll remove all the screws holding the siding on. Now, you can line up your new piece of siding and screw it back into place. The siding is made to lock on top of itself with these hooks. So once your new siding is on, hook it down. Next, apply exterior paint that matches your house. I like using this because it's paint and primer in one.
All right, folks, while that paint dries, let's break for our 7th inning stretch.
I don't know, this thing's taking forever to dry. Hey, hot dog guy, come on, feed me one. Yeah, extra mustard. And now that that paint is dry, it looks like we are back in business. Better now? Okay, yeah, you did fine on this siding, but what about that hole in the screen, huh? All right, good catch. It's okay if a foul ball took out your window screen, and here's what you'll need to undo it. A hairdryer and a screen patch. Sounds easy? It is. Check it out. First, take your patch and cut it to size. We're gonna wanna make sure there's about a 1/2 inch overlap between this and the damaged area on your screen. Then make sure your hairdryer is on high and hold it about 1 inch away from your screen to bond it permanently.
Oh boy, look at these two on the kiss cam. They're really bonding in front of everyone.
Nice. It's definitely not the prettiest thing in the world, but it'll for sure keep those critters out. Okay, so now you know how to patch siding, replace siding, and fix up a screen. So let's try this again. Stay on there. Remember step 1, call it. And step 2, send it. Oh, hey everybody. Y'all got that quick. Anyways, for more episodes of How to Undo, click here or here. And to shop this full project, click the link to the guide in the description below. Always like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on How to Undo. What's that? What got broke? No, that sounds like Georgia to me, but don't worry, I'll undo it. Uh-oh.